How to install Porsche 986 wheel spacers. Installing Porsche 986 wheel spacers is a simple process, almost as easy as rotating your tires. All you need are a few basic tools and a way to lift your Porsche 986. In this video, we will show you step by step how to fit wheel spacers on your Porsche 986 correctly and safely. Use a cross wrench to loosen the lug nut on the side of the wheel in a diagonal sequence. But do not remove them completely. Using jacks to support each end of the car is a better safety measure. Use a cross wrench to remove the wheel side lug nut. Install a wheel hanger to assist in removing the wheel hub. Remove the wheel of the hub and set it to the side. Look at the wheel hub assembly for rust. You can use a brake cleaner to remove them. Remove any rust and dirt from the wheel hub with a rag. Widen the entire surface to ensure it is smooth, because all of that surface may cause the wheel spacer to not fit perfectly with the hub. Install the BONOSS Forge FT cooling Porsche 986 wheel spacers. Then install the matching lug nut. Tighten them with a torque wrench. A key advantage of BONOSS Porsche 986 wheel spacers is the FT cooling feature. These Porsche 986 wheel spacers are designed with petal-shaped grooves. The grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, actually dissipating heat for the braking system. The BONOSS Porsche 986 wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge makes the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics. Then install the wheel hanger. Install the rim and then install the stock nut. Use a torque wrench to tighten them on the wheel. Make sure they are secure. Remove the jack stands. Slowly lower the car until the tires fully touch the ground, and remove the jack. Use a torque wrench to tighten the lug nut to the specific torque. Always tighten them in a diagonal sequence. This will ensure that the lug nuts work. The same operation is done for remaining wheels. BONOSS recommends check the use of the wheel spacers every 6 months and checking the BMW X3's operation to ensure safe driving. No AI was used in the creation of this video. All editing was done manually. See you in the next video.